Hey, class kickers, this is the Bald Guy Sci, and today is a quick tutorial short here on using chatbot. I know makes you want to vomit. You've heard it so much, so I'm going to pull it up right now and just say, hey, for science teachers out there, how could you use chatbot instead of being afraid of it? And I'm going to give you an example really fast. I had this idea. I used to teach the body systems and robotics at the same time, so I had this thought that, hey, what if I asked it, what are some of the projects that scientists and engineers are working on right now to join robotics and human mobility? So the Deca Arm project, maybe robotic hands, all sorts of cool things that are going on. It's thinking, and here we go, exoskeletons. So I could actually take anything it's spitting out. I have not done this before, and find that keyword and throw it right back in there to get some more detailed stuff. Scientists and engineers are researching and developing methods of how to join robotics and human mobility. Wow. So things on the outside, right? We could actually engage students right away, say, hey, here's what are the search terms in here that you could use to go find out about exoskeletons. You know the content of the body systems, maybe bones and muscles, maybe even nerves and skin that are going to come out if you do this. Robotic orthotics, pretty cool. So how would I use this? One, I got my phone right here. If you grab that HDMI dongle thing that plugs in, you can run it right into your board, even if your school has blocked it. You can use it on your personal device, throw this up on the screen, and you can see it's still cranking out different examples. I can put this on the screen through an HDMI output, whether it's a projector or whatever. Or I could open up, when this is all done, there's a copy button. You just go to Google Docs or whatever, Microsoft Teams, whatever you're using, paste it in there, put it up on the screen and go, hey guys, there's your research. All right, autonomous mobility. Now I got four examples. And if I want, I'm going to paste this again and just show you. I'm going to paste it again and I'm going to change one word up here. I'm just going to say list, and maybe it'll give me a little bit less. Here we go. Autonomous humanoid robot. That's a little creepy topic, right? So now, bang, it's listing them out. I can assign those to groups and say, all right, let's go. Find out everything you can. And Jake saw this, but this is really low planning on my part, but super high engagement. You could generate out of this all of the vocabulary that kids are learning, all of the different bones and muscles, and start the conversation to get that hook in there, and then very quickly move into, all right, now we're going to look at the specific content that everybody came across and move on to maybe a project. Maybe you pull out the Lego robotics, or you just have kids build a robotic device, or robotic out of spaghetti and hot glue. I don't know, but use your imagination. This thing could be super powerful. No need to be afraid. Get out there, kick some class. Let me know what you're using chatbot for down here in the comments. See ya.